How's it going, everyone? It's been a while since we made a video. Very busy, very hectic, very family oriented. Vacation, if you call them vacation. I kept updating my socials. I just didn't get around to making a YouTube video. Quite a bit of things happened in the market, but here we are today. It's raining outside. I have some time. Let's look at the market and see what we can do. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy these kinds of videos. Share with a friend, leave a comment with your opinion at the end. Let's go right ahead and look at the market today so we can see if any new gems are coming up, anything new is coming up. Stick around until the end of the video. Maybe I have a nice surprise for you. Let's go. 2022 hasn't been a very good month for crypto. So far, NFTs have been booming. There are projects that are doing very well. Alien Friends, Coolman's Universe, so many projects that really raised in value out of the blue, most of them. But again, let's look at Bitcoin first of all and Ethereum, the two main projects I'm looking at every single day. Now, Bitcoin is fighting slightly above 40,000. Not very bullish, but I'm guessing it's going to pick up the pace. According to my friend DGen101, shout out to you, you know who you are. We are looking at a bearish head and shoulders or a bullish falling wedge on the one-day chart. This was posted 14 hours ago. Now, which indicator will be dominant? I don't really know. Besides indicators, besides technical analysis, what I come to understand about crypto and projects, it's all about the community and the people behind it, how people feel about them. You may have the best technical analysis, you may have the best indicators, be sure about something and everything crashes, or the opposite happens. Everything looks like it's against the project you're looking at, and then boom, it goes to the moon. It all comes down to the community, a very big part of it, obviously. Now, let's have a look at what Ethereum is doing right now. Ethereum is still stuck just slightly above 3,000. I am very bullish on Ethereum this year. I believe in the projects built on Ethereum. I believe on NFTs. It's the dominant blockchain right now. So my money, not literally, my opinion, do your own research. Ethereum is not going anywhere for the next 5 to 10 years at least, if not more. Now, JP Morgan's analyst Kenneth Worthington really believes that 2022 is going to be the year of DeFi. Now, 2021, towards the end especially, was the year of NFTs, and it still is, in my opinion. It could be also 2022, because right now NFTs are maturing. You can see actual projects coming up that are more serious with a use case. Yes, you still have your average scam or cash grab that people are trying to do because people are greedy and don't really want to work for a living or work on a project. But again, everything looks positive right now, even with this kind of bearish season, small season we're going through when things are moving sideways. I do believe that we are going to be in for a very big surprise this year. Speaking about NFTs, there are 5 NFTs that could overtake Opensea. Now, I'm not going to go through all of them, but mainly I want to stand on the point of Coinbase NFT. Now, if Coinbase is successful, it could take away market cap from Opensea. Now, FTX NFTs, well, basically everybody is trying to get into the NFT marketplace situation, but people learned about Opensea first, so they trust Opensea. Regardless of the many different issues they have, like server issues, speed issues, they crash a lot. Again, people know Opensea, trust Opensea, used Opensea almost since day one that NFTs went mainstream. Now, it's going to be difficult for someone to come in and take market share, but it's going to happen, obviously. But my money, again, not literally, do your own research. My sentiment leans towards Opensea for now. I didn't really see any other competitor that could be overtaking the dominance that Opensea has right now. Now, GameStop shares surge as much as 20% after news. It plans to launch an NFT marketplace. Remember, this is people trading on a rumor, not a fact. Plans to launch didn't happen yet. So this tells you a lot about the market. As I said before, you could have the best possible technical analysis on the planet, But news and the people move the market because people have emotions, buy and sell and hold. This is it. That's why we study the news every single day. Now, this is very exciting. This is not today's news because it's been a while since I did a video. I really wanted to actually do kind of a recap of what's happening in the market. Konami will start selling NFTs in celebration of Castlevania's 35th anniversary. I love Castlevania. I love it. Konami is a very smart company, very big gaming company. They know what they're doing. They've been years in the market. If they do this transition correctly, it's going to be massive. Besides that, there's going to be a lot of money to be made. It's a transition to the new age. It's going to be massive. And I really enjoy the whole idea of a retro game that has, a special position in your heart to actually appear in the NFT world. 2.7 billion in NFT sales recorded last month. Again, massive volume, massive amount of money moving. Even if the market is bearish right now, you can see that NFTs and actually gaming doesn't care. It's still, there's a lot of trading happening regardless of the general market. Now, that's amazing because we could slowly see gaming crypto detach from Bitcoin and the whole movement of Bitcoin. Could be this year, next year, 2024. We don't know. But you see the trends because people play games regardless of what's going on in the market. If you're going to play a game, if you like the game, regardless of making money or not. So basically what I'm trying to say, if a project is good, not only about the making money or play to earn aspect, if it's a good game that people enjoy, like for example, Big Time, I can see a lot of videos and leaks and I've been following the project. It looks like a game. It has more promise than the play to earn aspect. So that could keep going even if we have a long bear market up ahead. It could still be running as usual. So we can see this with multiple games. So we could see the detachment I mentioned before. Apple always wants to do things differently, and that's fine. They just don't want to follow the hype. That's what they believe. They believe that by coming out and saying, you know what, our headset is going to do this and that and not the metaverse, it's going to go against the market and hit the news and be kind of controversial, or they want to maybe perfect the product and then get involved in the metaverse. So let's see, don't expect Apple to follow others in the metaverse. That's what I said. According to the newsletter from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple has rejected the idea of a metaverse. Well, that means an idea of an all virtual world from what it seems, but it wants to make a mixed reality headset. Now, AR, that means augmented reality, that could be a much more feasible project right now, today, instead of an actual full VR experience that could be not finished, not perfect, not really up to the standards that you would like to actually spend money, like $3,000. That's a lot of money to get a not so complete experience. So what they're doing right now, basically, they're saying, okay, we're going to bring out this product and we're going to keep updating the product up to the point that it gets to the fully virtual world scenario. And that's fine. Again, I just love the way they move forward one step at a time. If we look at the New York Post, here it says, Metaverse clothing, travel, plastic surgery. Experts predict life in 2030. It looks like an interesting read. Maybe I could link the post in the description of the video. We can see Ariana Grande did a Rift tour with virtual performance on the free-to-play game Fortnite. Fortnite has a reputation of actually artists jumping on and making different tours or maybe concerts. This is what actually inspired the Sandbox doing these kind of events, and Decentralized as well, fashion shows, and so on and so forth. Well, again, now everyone is competing for the metaverse and the digital land. That's the whole idea behind it. It is what it is. It's a race. People race to grab the attention and the real estate. So the more users they grab right now that it's early, the better this is going to work out for them in the next 10 years. So these companies work with a 5, 10, 20-year plan. They're not like small businesses that work for a year or 2 years or with a 3-year plan. You need to understand that these are massive companies with massive amount of investors that really want to see a return. And the best way to see quick returns, if you are first. So you're either first or the best. So most of them are trying to be first and then become the best. Maybe someone shows up 3, 4, 5 years from now and they are the best and everyone flocks to them. But by then, they are making profits. That's what they're looking for. I hope it's not been a too long video for the first coming back. It's been, again, quite some time since I did the last video. I've been struggling to find time between holidays, between Christmas, between family. I just updated the social media I have, Twitter, Instagram, with all of those things I do, 60-second daily news. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. I try to do interesting threads. Instagram at the Harry Jo. I'm going to leave links down below. I update everything daily. I try to keep up with the market as much as I can. Remember, I'm a one-guy show. Leaving a like and subscribing really helps out. I never could have ever believed that I would reach 251 subscribers today. Again, I don't really care about the number. I just care about helping people out. I'm working on different guides as well, how to find NFTs, how I find NFTs, like Alien Friends early on. I'm working on many different things, many different projects. I'm working on my own NFT project. I will leave a link to the Discord. If you watch until the end, your surprise is this. You're going to get an invite to a Discord that's invite only. Just say hi and say YouTube or hey, YouTube fam. So I know that you came from YouTube and you are special. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.